Are you smart enough to pass this quiz? Welcome to Smart Rookies TV General Knowledge Quiz. In today's quiz, there are 10 questions. You have 10 seconds to read and choose the correct answer. You may pause the video if you need more time to read. Wish you the best of luck. Which animal is the king of the jungle? How many colors are in a rainbow? What comes next in the pattern 2, 4, 8, 16? What is the name of this TV show character? A triangle has how many sides? What is the name of this part of the body? How many months have 28 days? Which letter comes next in this pattern? A, C, E, G? What is 20% of 100? Which animal can sleep while standing up? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.